Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install any website as an application. Firstly, open the Edge browser. Now click on the three dots. From the drop-down menu you will find Apps. Right now, it doesn't display any apps that you've already installed. Next, visit any website where you want to install it like an app. Then, go back to the apps and click on Install this website as an app. A window will pop up. And you can pick any picture for your app's icon that you like. After that, just tap on Install. Here you can choose any of the options to pin this app to the taskbar or Start menu. You can see a new app has been put on the taskbar. Just tap it, and it will open up automatically. You can also find it in the Start menu. Let's add another website by repeating the same process. You can also remove any website app from your computer. Just go to your Manage Apps option. Now uninstall it to remove it from your computer. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.